Hello guys, I have some unexpected news. Yesterday, YouTube hit me with a community guidelines strike. Honestly, I'm still trying to figure it out why, because they don't really tell you. It seems that one of the projects that I was about to introduce to the channel, the domain of this site was reported to Google. So I post the review, and because I have the link in the description, YouTube flagged my video as a violation of their guidelines. I heard it also happened to other YouTubers with the same project. I don't know exactly what are the plans of YouTube with my channel. I've already appealed the strike and I'm just waiting to see what happens. Unfortunately, I won't be able to post any videos for a week. Now, having my channel compromised like this is really annoying, but we're gonna keep moving. For now, this is where I'll be sharing the latest updates. You are welcome to subscribe. As usual, the Telegram group is where I'm going to post the latest updates and reports. I never DM anybody. If you want to talk to me, remember to message me first. I really appreciate all your support. This kind of stuff is frustrating, but I'm not going to stop. To give you a quick update about the projects we are reviewing, well, my favorite opportunity keeps rocking. This is the i3Q, 423 profits since I got started here. One of the easiest automations right now. The whole thing has been working on autopilot. Withdrawals are going fine. Right here, I'm collecting an average of 1.7% daily. Nice project with super positive feedback, running since October last year. Check my review. I will put it somewhere here in the screen or in the description. Another one that is doing well is Tensorium. This one have only 1 month online. I'm collecting here a 1.2% daily, 7 days a week. With the i3Q is only performing during stock market days, so from Monday to Friday. Withdrawals are instant. Tensorium is also having instant withdrawals. Another one that we have here is called Bridgeme. I saw a lot of people reviewing this one, different channels, having good success with this option, and well, I want to try it. They also have returns of from 1.2% to 3%. I'm just getting started, guys. That I'm collecting a 1.2%, and once everything goes back to normal, I will make a review about this one. Another option that is surprisingly working really good is Aristata. The returns here are quite aggressive, goes from 2% up to 5%, and there are also a couple of after plans. Probably tonight I will request a payout. I'm waiting to receive my daily accrual, and just as usual, I will post the reports in my Telegram group. Another option that is running well is BitGem Finance. This is the Telegram bot that I introduced to you a couple of days ago. I started with 100, now I deposit more. In my last video, I'm showing the reasons, the mechanism, the returns, 2% to 3%, more like a mid-yield platform, playing 7 days a week. I also have the other long-term options that are still performing great. We got Celestion, playing from Monday to Friday. I'm collecting here an average of 1% daily. Everything is fine with this one. I also have Glory Assurance, already 1 year online, and I make a video about that. They also introduce a new package. I'm making here an average of 24% monthly. These two are having more conservative returns and are working fine. You know, that type of projects that you just set it up and let it run. Well, guys, this is all that I want to show you, just a quick update about these options. Everything is fine, and if you want to talk to me, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description. If you are in this new channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you soon. This is Will, the Crypto Leader. Have an amazing weekend.